It's definitely part art form, and art form for yourself. You see a path and you see a way that you want to take that path. There's the utility side of parkour, which would be simply get over that obstacle, get to the point where it is, and it doesn't matter what it looks or feels like, you're just using your capabilities. But then there's the art side. You want to move a certain way through a path. You see something and you just envision yourself moving through it. Sometimes you have to practice a move 100 times before you get it because it's just beyond your capabilities, and that's where parkour is used to expand your boundaries. It's like a windmill. The reason that we want to spread parkour and free running is because they're fun, but they're active. There's so many activities nowadays where people sit around the house watching TV, on the computer, playing a video game, not doing anything active or interactive or physical. And human beings were meant to be physical. We were meant to run, jump, play, climb, swim. So now people get their exercise in a metered block of 1 hour of going to a place filled with strange equipment and heavy weights, and it's not fun. So they don't continue to do it. Where parkour and free running are a blast.
A lot of the movements in parkour were inspired by just natural movements in an environment where someone needs to escape or move very quickly. It kind of began through military obstacle courses and in France. They took the training on these military obstacle courses and adapted it to the buildings and architecture in their hometown, using the buildings and stuff just like an obstacle course to train their bodies and also just to play around and see what they were capable of. Well, we generally like any architecture which has a lot of walls and different levels, railings, stairs. Yeah. Free running says you don't have to move in any specially defined way, but you can actually choose your own way and move in whatever way you want and just use your environment to develop yourself, express your creativity.
There's a lot of safety concerns that we have. We got the sprinkler heads sticking up out of the ground. We got a few ledges that we don't want to go past. You have to be honest with yourself and saying, I can or cannot do this, because if you can't do this, don't even think about it.